Alrighty, we got an update tour here at the West Broadway number 1 grade crossing, south of Crystal, Minnesota. Well, not south, I mean in Crystal, Minnesota. As you may know, the right signal here, the western signal here, got replaced. Doesn't have a bell though, but we got 12 by 24 inch Dialight ball LEDs inside Safetran Frames. Here's the same dot tag I've seen before, like last time. I forgot to read the number, 059628F. It has a brand new, it has a nice new Siemens base, has a new Safetran Junction box. On the side there, yep. There's a back view of the lights. And here's a back view of the western signal. Of course, the eastern signal is still the same like usual. It still has 12 by 24 inch Safetran incandescents, like it usually had, as well as a single-sided Safetran base. Seems to me that both the signals were pretty much the same, but they're a little similar. Sadly, no bells still, unfortunately. Anyways, last time when I was here at this crossing, when the crossing used to have the Raco single-sided base, 12 by 24 inch 12 by 20 inch Safetran incandescents, I know I got distracted by a freight train on the CP on the CP KC. Well, it was originally a CP, but I got distracted by a freight train on the CP Painesville Sub back then. And yeah. Well, anyways, this has been the update to West Broadway number 1.